Hello, Gaz here. We're living in some dark days at the moment, so very quick video. Just going to do a final bite check on the Sonder transmitter. Okay. So I built this frame up. I took a lot of bits off my old bike, which was a Lapierre. But since then I've kind of replaced everything off that bike anyway. So this is it. Okay, Sonder transmitter, 19.5 frame, so it's a large frame. I'm just a 1/4 inch shy of 6 foot. So starting from the handlebars, DMR wing bars I think they're called. Yeah, 30mm diameter, connected to a race face turbine 35 diameter. Got some XT brakes on there, single pot. But if you look down at the rotors, I've got some 200mm rotors on the front and a 180 rotor on the back. 2.6 tyres, Magic Mary, connected to some recently built up Bontrager boost hubs with 40mm rims to keep the tread pattern quite wide. I've got some Recon forks, but they're the 2019 or 2020 Recons. I think 2020 Recons were a little bit lighter. Lezine bottle cage holder. These are brilliant. You can pull them out from the side. Obviously I've got my faithful strap on there. The only thing that I have kept off the Lapierre is actually the dropper seat post, 125mm. I can afford to have a 125mm because how low this sweep is here, it doesn't get in the way when I lower the seat, so it's brilliant. Got a SLX cassette, 1146, with a KMC speed chain, gold, just for a bit of bling. XT derailleur to match the XT brakes and XT shifter. These were the bargain of the century. FSS gradient cranks were meant to be like £250. They were reduced to like £75. I've got very lucky with those. 170mm cranks, and I got some Look SPDs, exactly the same as the Shimano 520s, just a little bit lighter, and they cost about £5 cheaper. Oh man, look at the state of that. Ugh. Okay, that needs cleaning before I go out. Bontrager hubs. Put the extra pawls in, so I've got the 108 teeth engagement, and it sounds, well, it sounds phenomenal, and gives you a load of engagement for those uphill technical climbs. That, in effect, is my bike check on the final bike check on the Sonder transmitter. I'll be taking it out today, just for my one daily allowance of exercise in this crisis. So we'll see you next week. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, subscribe. See you later.